Now, you told me that Mommy has what in her tummy?
A baby.
But it didn't come out yet? Is that what you said?
I gotta grow a little bit.
It's got to grow a little bit? So, when it grows a little bit, then what happens?
He'll have another crib.
He'll have another crib?
Yeah, and he has a bunch of some toys.
Oh, that will be good. He will like toys. What kind?
And you have to buy him clothes.
Yeah.
Some baby clothes.
Well, what if it's a girl?
I don't know.
Do you think it's going to be a girl or a boy?
A girl. A girl.
A girl. Why do you think that?
It's gonna be a girl.
Yeah.
Another sister.
And another baby brother.
Oh, you want a baby brother?
Why do you want a baby brother?
'Cause this time I want a girl baby brother.
You want a girl baby brother?
Yeah.
Well, what is a girl baby brother?
I don't know.
Can you tell me what a girl baby brother looks like?
He has hair and a body and hands, and he's so small. And you know what babies look like, cause you see Nathan.
Yeah, I see.
Because that's what girls look like. They look just like them.
Wow. Little girl baby brothers look just like Nathan?
Yeah.
Wow.
Do you like playing with Nathan?
Yeah.
You're eating a lot. Is that good? Is it real good? What are you eating?
Pizza.
Do you like pizza? But you
I
took
just don't
on...
like the pizza, the pepperoni because it's too spicy.
It's too spicy. Is that why you took it all off?
I just like it this way.
Okay, well that's good. So what else is going on?
You know why we come here?
Why?
You gotta go.
You came here to play in the sandbox.
Nope. You went here to play and to eat pizza.
Well, that's a good reason to come here.
Because when the storm comes, they would take our power.
The
And then
storm?
they would take your power.
The storm took your power?
No. It just didn't start yet.
Oh. Okay.
Just the thunder. I mean, the storm. Mom said the storm doesn't kill us.
No, the storm doesn't kill you.
Only the thunder.
No, the thunder doesn't kill you.
And who does?
Well,
It's the lightning.
yeah, I guess lightning could if it caught you, but it can't catch you because it's just too far away.
Yeah. But America has some light. And they have a door.
Who has a door?
America.
America has a door?
Yeah.
What kind of door does America have?
What you said?
What kind of door does America have?
The door.
A big door? Who goes through that door?
On the animals, they just do this and it opens. You have to take a picture of me now.
Goodbye.
Is this on video?